Coffee, the healthy business person's equivalent to an up and go, times 6. People like different types of coffee, like cappuccinos, flat whites, mochas, etc. But today we're going to be focusing on instant coffee. The average healthy adult consumes the average of 400 milligrams of caffeine, which is the equivalent to 2 espressos and 4 instant coffees. But you may be wondering, what is the best cup of instant coffee? And how do I make it? Well, we're about to find out. Now, if you have a 12-ounce mug like I do here, the ratio of instant coffee is 2 teaspoons per 6 ounces of boiling water. But Aaron, plain coffee and water in a 12-ounce mug? It's practically an oversized espresso. But what about milk? Well, let's take a look. The ratio of milk is 1 to 6 in a 6-ounce cup. That's 1 ounce of milk. So, in my situation with a 12-ounce cup, that's 2 ounces of milk per 12 ounces. When it comes to sugar, the average amount of sugar that a person has in their coffee is 2, which takes up the bitterness of the taste of your coffee. No idea if that sentence made sense, but it gets away the bitterness of the coffee, makes it more sweet, what sugar does. So there you have it. That's how you make the perfect cup of instant coffee. So, the usual, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. The amount of times I had to say fucking ounces.